Oh, what a go! Providence! Jam squeak out of the gate, count me in Magda PLC, Alicia, then followed by Noyana Packet Money Club champion, while One Direction is running in a tail of the field out of straight day trouble. Providence leads by some 2.5 lengths, followed by Count Me in second, 4 lengths back Magda Packet Money. Here comes Noyana. In between North and Sea, Alicia, 4 lengths back, One Direction, and Club Champion. Down the half mile they travel. See Alicia stop running. It is still Providence by some 5 now. Followed by Count Me in second. Pocket Money. Try to get close now in third. Noyana Magdapio. Then followed by One Direction, and inside the last 400, Providence. By some 5 lengths, followed by Count Me in, Pocket Money, Noyana, Magdapio as they swing for home. Providence by some 6 now, followed now by Pocket Money, Count Me in, Noyana, Magdapio, One Direction, and Club Champion, but still Providence, followed now by Pocket Money, and finally Providence, Pocket Money. Count Me, Noyana, One Direction, Magdapio, Club Champion.
Okay, Bayang Carvista, para dito sa inyong final race from gate to wire, numero 1, Providence with JB Hernandez. Nasa segundo, numero 5, Pocket Money, numero 4, na si Count Me in, numero 7, Noyana, at papasok sa inyong Pentafecta, if I'm not mistaken, numero 8, Magdapio. Atin muna pong balikan ang replay para dito sa inyong final race, number 9.